Today, I want to talk about something that a lot of people, myself included, have been pitched: whole life insurance. And I'll be honest, I fell for it in my early 20s. So here's the short story. I was fresh out of college, just starting my first job, when I met with someone who called himself a financial advisor. He met me at my house, seemed trustworthy, and started talking about investing in my future through life insurance. What I didn't realize at the time, he wasn't truly an advisor. He was a salesperson, and he sold me a whole life insurance policy I didn't really need, couldn't afford, and definitely didn't understand. He made it sound like a smart investment: cash value growth, lifetime coverage, and fixed premiums. But he didn't mention that my cash value wouldn't be worth the premiums I paid into the policy until after 10 years, or that I'd be locked into decades of high payments. So, here's the truth about whole life insurance. Yes, it lasts your entire life, but so can a prison sentence. Whole life combines life insurance coverage with a cash value account that grows, albeit slowly, compared to other alternatives. It's marketed with words like guaranteed return and tax-deferred growth, which sounds appealing, but really isn't once you look under the hood. Let's break it down. You pay high premiums for life. A portion of the premium goes to the cost of the insurance. A portion of the premium goes to the company and agent as commission. The remaining premium dollars after the cost of insurance and commissions go to a cash value account. That account grows slowly at an interest rate specified by the insurance company. Here's the kicker that most people don't understand. Let's say you have this policy for 15 years and then die. If the policy has a death benefit of $1 million and your cash value has accumulated to $50,000, guess what happens? The death benefit goes to your family, and the $50,000 in cash goes to the insurance company. Why in the world would I do that when I can purchase a term policy instead and use the extra premium dollars for other things? The biggest problem? It's wildly expensive. We've seen cases where a healthy 30-year-old pays over $300 a month for a $100,000 whole life policy. That same person could get a 20 or 30-year term policy for $1 million in death benefit for around $30 a month. This leaves them with a lot more coverage and extra money to use for other goals or investments. When you run the numbers, it's clear. Whole life is a much better deal for the agent and the company than for you. It's pushed so hard because the agents selling them need the commissions to stay in business. It's not that most of these agents are bad people, but I do believe they've convinced themselves that this product is the best fit for almost everyone they meet because they need those sales. So here's what we recommend for most families. Number 1, buy term life insurance and set the term long enough to protect your loved ones while they depend on your income. I mean, think about it. Do you really need your life insurance policy to last until you're 90 years old so you can leave an inheritance to your now 65-year-old kids? And number 2, become self-insured. Over time, your investments grow enough that you don't need life insurance anymore. Life insurance is protection, not an investment strategy. Are there rare cases where whole life makes sense? Of course there are. It's a product, and a product serves a purpose. Here are a few situations in which a permanent life insurance policy can make sense. Number 1, if you are a high net worth family and doing estate planning. Or number 2, you have a child with special needs who will need care and support after you have passed. A permanent life insurance policy could support your goals, but for 98% of people, it's an expensive solution to a problem you don't have. I wish I had someone back then to talk some sense into me. So let me be that person for you now. Don't fall for the sales pitch. Get the coverage you need at the right price and grow your wealth in a more efficient way. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more financial insights. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Once again, I'm Mike Heatwall, founder and CEO of the Dalla Group. If you are interested in seeing how we help our clients, visit us at www.thedallagroup.com. Give us a call or schedule a time to connect with one of our wealth advisors. We would love to hear from you.